English together.
Conversation 1. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on October 22nd. How about yours?
Mine is on November 3rd. We are both autumn babies.
That's cool.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to a concert on Saturday night. What about you?
I have a party at my house on Sunday afternoon.
Sounds fun.
What time does the concert start?
The concert starts at 8 p.m. Do you want to join?
Sure. Why don't you come to my party too?
What time is the party at your place?
It starts at 2 p.m. and goes until around 5 p.m.
All right, I'll make sure to mark those times on my calendar.
Great! Don't be late.
That would be fantastic. Looking forward to it.
Conversation 2.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am. What's up?
There's a party at Sarah's house. It starts at 2 p.m. Are you interested in going?
Sure, I'd love to join. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at my place at 1:30 p.m. We can go together from there.
That works for me. Should I bring anything to the party?
Sarah mentioned that we can bring snacks or drinks if we'd like.
Okay. I'll pick up some chips and soda on my way over.
Sounds good.
I'll be at your place on time.
Great. Looking forward to a fun party together.
Me too. See you tomorrow.
Don't forget to give us a like and share with your friends.
Conversation 3.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually relax at home. I watch TV or read a book. How about you?
I enjoy going for a walk in the park. It's peaceful in the evening.
That sounds nice. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going on a picnic with my friends on Sunday. We'll be at the park. Do you want to join?
Sure, that sounds fun. What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 10 a.m. at the park entrance.
Okay, I'll be there on time. I'll see you on Sunday then.
Great! Looking forward to it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.